We'll talk about how can you make money on your Clapper app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app to make money. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on the sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find income money here. You will find it. So to make money, you just click here on create group. Then here add your photo profile or any photo profile here. Here add group name. Then here description. Then you come here to group here. Just click on free. So then you just wishing to open with you here this list like this. Then here can you select price. So here can you select any price you want. I'm going to add this price. Then you click here on save. So when you just add it like this, you click here on create. So then here automatically here it's going to create with you when you add all this information, and anyone can go to or join to your group, can add this price to join to your group. Then you will make money on your Clapper app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.